Carbon. It's a name that resonates through the annals of science and nature. It's an element we often take for granted, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. From the bustling city streets to the serene landscapes of nature, carbon is omnipresent. Yet it's the fundamental building block of all life on Earth. Every cell, every organism, every breath we take is intertwined with carbon. It's the backbone of the molecules that make up our cells, our food, and even the air we breathe. The proteins, carbohydrates, and fats that fuel our bodies are all carbon-based. Imagine a universe without carbon, a universe where the stars shine upon barren worlds devoid of the intricate dance of life. It's a universe devoid of life, a barren and silent expanse. Carbon is unique. Its presence is the difference between a thriving ecosystem and a lifeless desert. Its ability to form long chains and complex structures is unmatched. This unique property allows carbon to be the foundation of countless organic compounds. This versatility allows carbon to create a staggering diversity of molecules. From the simplest methane to the complex proteins that drive biological processes, carbon is at the heart of it all. These molecules are the foundation of biology, the very essence of life itself. DNA, the blueprint of life, is a carbon-based molecule. The blueprint for everything from the simplest bacteria to the complexity of the human brain. Look around you. The neurons firing in your brain, the thoughts you think, all have carbon at their core. Everything you see, from the trees swaying in the wind to the bustling city streets, is built on a foundation of carbon. The buildings, the vehicles, the very fabric of our society is interwoven with carbon. It's the invisible architect of our world, shaping the very fabric of life. The structures we build, the technologies we develop, all owe their existence to carbon, shaping the very fabric of life. From the smallest microbe to the largest mammal, carbon is the thread that weaves the tapestry of life. Without carbon, our planet would be a vastly different place, a desolate wasteland devoid of the vibrant tapestry of life we know and cherish. The lush forests, the diverse ecosystems, all would cease to exist. A desolate wasteland devoid of the vibrant tapestry of life we know and cherish. Carbon is not just an element. It's the essence of life, the silent force that shapes our world and our existence. As we continue to explore the mysteries of carbon, we uncover more about its crucial role in the universe. From the depths of the oceans to the far reaches of space, carbon's influence is undeniable. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of all life, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains our planet. Every living organism, every breath, every heartbeat is a celebration of carbon's remarkable journey. So the next time you look around, remember the silent architect that makes it all possible. Carbon, the unsung hero of our existence, the cornerstone of life on Earth. From the dawn of civilization to the cutting-edge technologies of today, carbon has been our constant companion, driving progress and innovation. It's the element that connects us all, a bridge between the past, present, and future. Carbon's story is our story, a tale of resilience, adaptability, and endless possibilities. Unveiling carbon's crucial role is not just a scientific endeavor. It's a journey of understanding our place in the universe. It's a journey that reminds us of the beauty and complexity of life, all thanks to the remarkable element that is carbon. At the heart of every living cell lies a symphony of chemical reactions, a complex and beautiful dance that sustains life. Carbon is the conductor of this orchestra, orchestrating the intricate dance of life. It is the backbone of organic chemistry, forming the basis of all living organisms. From the DNA that carries our genetic code to the proteins that build our muscles and bones, carbon is essential. It forms the chains and rings that make up the complex molecules of life. Consider the process of photosynthesis, a remarkable example of carbon's role in life. Plants use the sun's energy to transform carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a simple sugar. This process not only fuels the plant's growth, but also sustains the entire food web. This glucose fuels the plant's growth and provides energy for all its functions. It is the starting point for the synthesis of other essential molecules, such as cellulose and starch. The oxygen released as a byproduct is the very air we breathe. This oxygen is crucial for the survival of most living organisms, including humans. Life as we know it is a carbon-based phenomenon. Carbon's versatility allows it to form a vast array of complex molecules, enabling the diversity of life on Earth. Without carbon, there would be no DNA, no proteins, no carbohydrates. These molecules are fundamental to the structure and function of all living cells. There would be no cells, no organisms, no life at all. Imagine a world devoid of the vibrant ecosystems we see today, a barren planet without the spark of life. Carbon is not just a building block, it is the essence of life itself, the element that makes life possible in all its forms and complexities. Carbon's influence extends far beyond the realm of biology. It plays a crucial role in shaping our planet's environment, regulating climate, and influencing the health of our soils. Carbon dioxide, a gas composed of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms, is a key component of Earth's atmosphere. It acts like a blanket, trapping heat from the sun and keeping our planet warm enough to support life. This natural greenhouse effect is essential for our survival. However, human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, are releasing massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This excess carbon dioxide is amplifying the greenhouse effect, leading to global warming and climate change. The engine of civilization, carbon's power in the global economy. Carbon's significance extends beyond the natural world. It's a cornerstone of our global economy, fueling our industries and powering our modern way of life. Fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas are carbon-rich resources that have powered our civilization for centuries. They provide energy for transportation, electricity generation, and countless industrial processes. Carbon is also a vital component of many materials we rely on daily. Plastics, pharmaceuticals, and countless other products are all derived from carbon-based compounds. Our modern world is literally built on a foundation of carbon. A world without carbon, imagining the unimaginable. Imagine a world stripped bare of carbon. No lush forests, no vibrant coral reefs, no soaring birds in the sky. Picture a silent, barren landscape, devoid of the symphony of life. This is the stark reality of a world without carbon. Life as we know it would cease to exist. The intricate web of ecosystems would collapse, leaving behind a desolate wasteland. Our planet, once teeming with life, would become a sterile, lifeless rock hurtling through space. This is not a science fiction scenario. It's a glimpse into the potential consequences of our actions. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet and the future of life itself. The great collapse, life without its essential ingredient. Imagine a world where the very foundation of life has been stripped away. The bustling cities, once filled with the hum of human activity, now stand eerily silent. Forests, once teeming with life, are now nothing more than ghostly remnants of their former selves. Without carbon, the intricate machinery of life would grind to a halt. The gears of existence, which have turned for millennia, would seize up. Plants, the primary producers in our ecosystems, would no longer be able to perform their vital functions. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, would cease. This miraculous process, which fuels the growth of plants and provides oxygen for all living beings, would come to an abrupt end. The lush green fields that once stretched as far as the eye could see would wither and die. The oxygen-rich atmosphere that sustains us would dwindle, suffocating the remaining life on Earth. The air, once fresh and invigorating, would become thick and unbreathable. People would struggle to find clean air, and the very act of breathing would become a challenge. The food chain would collapse, starting with the plants that form its base. The vibrant ecosystems that depend on these plants would crumble. Fields of crops, once abundant and nourishing, would turn into desolate wastelands. Herbivores, deprived of their food source, would perish. These gentle creatures which rely on plants for sustenance would face a slow and agonizing death. The once lively meadows and pastures would be filled with the haunting sight of starving animals. Carnivores, in turn, would succumb to starvation as their prey disappears. The majestic predators which once roamed the wild with strength and grace would become shadows of their former selves. Their powerful roars would be replaced by the silence of extinction. The once thriving ecosystems of our planet would be reduced to silent graveyards. The symphony of nature, with its myriad of sounds and movements, would be replaced by an eerie stillness. The habitats that once supported a diverse array of life would be abandoned and lifeless. The oceans, teeming with life, would become vast, lifeless deserts. The vibrant underwater world, filled with colorful fish and intricate coral structures, would fade into oblivion. The once bustling marine ecosystems would be reduced to barren expanses of water. The intricate coral reefs, home to a kaleidoscope of marine species, would dissolve, leaving behind only bleached skeletons. These underwater rainforests, which support a vast array of marine life, would be stripped of their beauty and vitality. The delicate balance of life that sustains our planet would be shattered beyond repair. The interconnected web of life, which has evolved over millions of years, would unravel. The Earth, once a vibrant and thriving planet, would become a desolate and barren wasteland, a stark reminder of the fragility of life. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel as we continue to explore the wonders of the Earth. Look out for our next topic. Carbon monoxide, is it all that bad?